In this video, we show how to replace riser 3 in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove riser 3, loosen the 4 captive screws on the rear of the system. Press the blue clip and then lift up on the riser to remove. To install riser 3, align it with the system and lower it down into place until it clicks into place. Then tighten the 4 captive screws. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.